STARKNET is a Layer 2 network built on Ethereum, specifically utilizing a ZK Rollup to enhance the scalability of decentralized applications without compromising security. In simple terms, it works by grouping multiple transactions together into a single off-chain computed Stark proof. This proof is then submitted to the Ethereum network as a single transaction, leading to notable improvements in throughput, transaction speed, and reduced costs. Importantly, STARKNET achieves these benefits while maintaining the robust security provided by the Ethereum settlement layer. But is STARKNET really as good as it sounds? And if so, what is the technology and architecture behind it? In this video, we'll discuss everything about STARKNET, covering its background and history, its technology and architecture, and importantly, what it has in store for the year ahead. So without further ado, let's get started. STARKNET was founded by Starkware Industries, a company established in 2018 by a team of experts in blockchain technology and zero-knowledge proofs. The founders include Eli Ben Sasson, Alessandro Chisa, Michael Ryabzev, and Yuri Kolodny, among others. They all bring their wealth of knowledge and experience in cryptography, computer science, and blockchain technology to the Starkware project. Starkware Industries is renowned for its contribution to the field of zero-knowledge proofs and its efforts to enhance the scalability and privacy of blockchain networks like Ethereum. Driven by a shared vision of addressing fundamental challenges within blockchain technology, particularly focusing on scalability and privacy, the team saw the limitations of existing blockchain systems in handling a high volume of transactions while maintaining privacy and security. Specifically, they identified the scalability bottleneck inherent in blockchain networks like Ethereum, which rely on a consensus mechanism that processes each transaction sequentially. This limitation significantly restricts the network's throughput and increases transaction costs. They also perceive a growing demand for dApps capable of processing large numbers of transactions efficiently without compromising on security or privacy. And so, they decided to leverage their expertise in zero-knowledge proofs and cryptography to develop innovative solutions that could enhance the scalability, privacy, and efficiency of blockchain networks. Their collaborative effort resulted in the creation of Starkware Industries and the development of STARKNET, a Layer 2 scaling solution built on top of Ethereum, which utilizes zero-knowledge proofs to bundle transactions and achieve significant improvements in throughput and cost-effectiveness. But how does STARKNET work? We all know that achieving security, decentralization, and scalability simultaneously in a blockchain is challenging. Ethereum, which prioritizes security and decentralization, often encounters scalability issues, causing sluggish transaction speeds and high gas fees as more users join the network. To address this issue, STARKNET utilizes a validity rollup. This approach shifts transaction processing off the Ethereum mainnet, which is off-chain, while maintaining the transaction summary on-chain. The transaction batches are grouped into blocks, processed off-chain, and then summarized in a single on-chain transaction. To ensure transaction integrity, STARKNET employs STARK, scalable, transparent argument of knowledge, proofs for verifiable computation, transmitting only crucial information to Ethereum for verification with minimal computational effort. This innovative solution allows Ethereum to achieve significant scalability without compromising its core principles. But how are these transactions collected and processed on STARKNET? STARKNET's transaction processing involves two core components, the sequencer and the prover. Sequencers oversee transaction validation, grouping, and block proposal, ensuring only successful transactions advance and as a single collective entity. It can handle more transactions per second than Ethereum nodes. On the other end, the prover validates block transactions mathematically using Stark proofs. Blocks are processed concurrently, with a prover documenting the execution trace and state diff, tracking changes in the system's state. Then an algorithm blows up and mixes data, highlighting any issues in the dataset. Random samples are then selected to create the Stark proof, validating thousands of transactions. The Stark proof and the state diff are sent to Ethereum as a transaction. Ethereum's verifier contract examines the proof samples, rejecting any problematic data. Valid proofs proceed to the STARKNET core contract, which authenticates the proof and updates the STARKNET state on Ethereum. This updated state becomes part of an Ethereum block, distributed across the node network for validation and voting. Once the block gains enough votes, it becomes immutable within Ethereum. STARKNET has an ecosystem that pioneers native account abstraction, or AA. Unlike traditional systems, STARKNET's AA eliminates externally owned accounts, or EOAs, ensuring that all accounts are smart. Yes, you heard that right, all accounts. In STARKNET, all infrastructure such as wallets and block explorers are specifically tailored for AA. This sets STARKNET apart from other L1 and L2 chains, establishing it as the pioneer in smart ecosystems. Developers can confidently create applications and tools, assured that AA governs all accounts, eliminating the necessity to cater to non-AA accounts. They can also optimize their apps to capitalize on the wide array of advantages provided by AA, recognizing that smart accounts constitute the sole method for user interaction within the application. It is crucial to note that 3 pillars support STARKNET's AA: signature abstraction, fee abstraction, and nonce abstraction. Signature abstraction grants flexibility in the transaction flow, while fee abstraction allows payment in various tokens, saving time and fees. Nonce abstraction enhances user experience by offering flexible replay protection mechanisms. Recent innovations like Bravos and Argent demonstrate the ecosystem's potential, with smart wallets and Guardian services enhancing security and usability. As STARKNET's ecosystem continues to expand, developers leverage AA to create flexible, user-centric applications, shaping the future of decentralized technology. Let's talk about STARKNET's native token, STARK, that plays a crucial role in the community. STARK token serves as the backbone of the STARKNET ecosystem, providing users with a means to engage in governance decisions and stake tokens for network security, and pay transaction fees within the platform. Additionally, STARKNET's governance model allows STARK token holders to participate in shaping the future of the network by voting on proposals for protocol upgrades and other important decisions. As the ecosystem evolves, STARK tokens will play an increasingly integral role in fostering community participation and driving innovation within the STARKNET network. What does STARKNET have in store for us? Let's dive into its 2024 roadmap. In the current phase of Q1 2024, the STARKNET team is actively engaged in fortifying its network stability by identifying and eliminating bottlenecks within the system to ensure a seamless and efficient operation of its network. Moreover, they are dedicated to conducting comprehensive stress testing scenarios to enhance the system's resilience to unforeseen surges in activity. In the next development phase, yet to commence, STARKNET plans to implement EIP 4844 to significantly reduce transaction costs. Currently, Ethereum data accounts for the majority of expenses on STARKNET, a whopping 95%. With EIP 4844, STARKNET data on Ethereum will be transmitted more affordably as 4844 blobs, lowering overall costs and promoting broader adoption and innovation. After EIP 4844, STARKNET is set to introduce a fee market in version 0.14.0 to enhance user experience during network congestion. Users can accelerate transaction finality times by applying fees, ensuring a smoother experience, especially during high network activity. The other one is to introduce the volition mode that will reduce transaction costs significantly. Currently, Ethereum data makes up the majority of transaction expenses on STARKNET. Volition mode allows developers to adopt a hybrid data availability approach, integrating both on-chain and off-chain data in applications. This mode is expected to decrease the cost of Ethereum data. Details about Volition's design and developer interfaces will be revealed soon. It seems evident that the team behind STARKNET has a clear vision and roadmap for developing the platform and expanding its ecosystem. But let's watch with anticipation to see how the future unfolds for STARKNET. That's all for today's video. If you found our video informative, then please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get updates on all our future videos. Also, let us know in the comments below what project you would like us to cover next.